Hey guys, it's Danielle and I am so excited. I am going to do an unboxing of my Ella Dane diaper bag. I am so excited, you guys. So I got her in the mail 2 days ago. So this is a relatively new company by a mom, and so I stumbled across her on Kickstarter actually, and had just ordered my Lily J Megan and my Lily J Lori, and so I was like, there is no way, like I'm not ordering another diaper bag. However, after watching her story and reading her story, the mom, who is Ella Dane, I was like, I have got to support this mom. It's no question, no doubt in my mind that I've got to get a bag. I have to support her. So and I mean, on top of just really wanting to support the mom, the founder of the bag, the maker creator of the bag, I love the diaper bag. So I also really liked the bag, like just seeing it on the video. I was like, okay, I like this bag also, and I have got to support this mom. So that was back in August, I believe. No, maybe even, it was actually in July. It was actually in July that I backed her on Kickstarter. And the bag was, you know, you back on Kickstarter. If they make their goal, then you get your product at a certain time. So the bags rolled out in October, and I literally just got mine, and I was like dying to open it, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys so you guys could see it and hopefully support this mom and get you an Ella Dane and be just as excited as I am. And I hope that it is as beautiful on the video or in person as it was on the video. And I'm actually going to pull up my laptop because I don't really know, it's sad, I don't know a whole lot of specs on this bag, and I want to be able to make sure that I tell you guys the correct information as well. And I will link the I guess her website below. So this diaper bag is also kind of like a lifestyle bag, so it doesn't look like a diaper bag. You guys, if you've watched all my other diaper bag reviews, you know I love diaper bags that don't look like diaper bags, and backpack style diaper bags. Like, those are my top 2 favorite type of diaper bags, because 11 very well could be our last baby, and I want to be able to if I'm purchasing these expensive bags, I want to be able to carry them well beyond the baby years. I don't want to invest in something that I'm only going to carry for, you know, 6 months, a year, maybe 2 years. So that is why I kind of really gravitate towards these type of diaper bags. So this is a modern diaper bag. It can be carried 3 ways, I believe: backpack, tote, and crossbody. So it comes in 3 colors: caramel brown, onyx black, and pearl gray. I got the pearl gray. So it has the protective metal feet. It is made of vegan leather. So if you guys are all about the vegan and animal friendly, this is vegan leather. I said it's 3 ways wearable. It has dual zippers, a changing clutch, wipeable inside and outside, stroller clips, insulated bottle pockets, and it has 13 pockets on the inside. So we'll see those 13 pockets. 11 may not let me get through this. So I am going to open this bad boy up. I already love the fact that it has her name on the box. I thought that that was super cute and a nice little touch. I'm so excited. Alright, I'm pulling it out. And it just comes in this little Ella Dane elastic. Ooh, oh my gosh. Alright, that's the dust bag. And it says Ella Dane. I mean, like, her branding is all over this thing, which I love. It should be. Oh my gosh, I was so worried about pearl gray. So again, if you guys have been watching my diaper bag reviews, all of them have been like brown and black and gray. So I was like, I don't know, like, this is super light and I'm worried. And my husband was like, get the gray, do something different. I love it. Here it is, guys. So, not a lot of structure. Like, this bag is pretty flat. That's what I noticed right off of the back, that there is not a lot of structure to this bag. So I mean, it's flat, if you guys can see. So like, you can just kind of, it's like a pancake. There's zero structure. So I don't know if that's gonna be a good thing or a bad thing, because, but look, it stands up though. Like when I, let me try to show you guys. Look at that, it's like standing up, even though it's flat like a pancake. So that's interesting. So I'm gonna like change the view and we will like open this up. But first, let me just kind of tell you my first little thoughts on this thing. First, let me tell you my first thoughts. So it doesn't have a lot of structure. So I'm kind of used to bags that are structured. This one does not have any structure to it. I love the color. Like, it's not really showing you on this camera. Like, let me see if I can get it closer. It has Ella Dane just kind of imprinted, very subtle on the front. Like, it's like a, I can't explain the kind of gray. It's like my shirt is gray, and I'm just gonna hold it up to my shirt. Hopefully that kind of gives you an idea. It is pearl gray for sure. Alrighty, I'm gonna take off the paper on the tassel. I like tassels. Some people don't like, you know, tassels. This tassel is not removable. Oh yes, it is. Ah, it is removable. So if you don't like tassels, you can take it off. I personally like tassels. All right, so I'm gonna try to change the view. Oh, I already see how the backpack straps go on. Y'all, I love this. I love it. All right, let me change the view. So we're gonna go through this thing together, because again, this is my first time seeing it in person myself. So let's talk about the outside. These two large pockets in the front, they are magnetic. I love magnetic pockets. I prefer them over clip any other type of pocket, because you're usually like trying to button them and, you know, zip. When it's on the outside of your bag, you want to just be able to stick your phone in there and not worry about it. So just paper in there. Let's see if my phone fits. Ooh, my phone does not fit. And this is a 7 Plus. Well, let's see. No, I mean, it kind of, sort of. One clip attaches, but the other one doesn't. So I mean, it could just kind of sit up there like that. However, two pockets on the front, There is this pocket across the top, and on the inside is like a dark gray, which I love that contrast. That's kind of showing up. That's right. That's about how dark it is. So my phone can fit right there in front, no problem at all. That's always important. Does the phone fit? It has this gold hardware on the outside. So pretty. Look how pretty that gold hardware is. And then, like it said, dual zippers, which you guys know I love the dual zippers. Let's open it up. Oh, we're still talking about the outside. I'm getting excited. Okay, so turn around to the back. You have the insulated bottle pockets here, and one here, and then the back has just this single strap, tote strap. So I kind of like that. Here are the backpack straps, and they are attached to the bag, so you're not going to be able to remove the backpack strap. So if that's important to you, then yeah, that may be an issue. And it looks like these, there's just a little clip just attached right here to the bottom. Since the backpack straps are non-removable, ta-da! It comes with extra straps for the crossbody. If you guys have seen my Lily Jade reviews, that is my gripe. My gripe is that I have to take off the backpack straps to make it crossbody. And because I tie my Lily Jade backpack straps in a knot, I never take off the straps to make it crossbody. So really it's only a two-way bag to me, because I can't just literally go from backpack to crossbody. This one comes with additional straps to make it crossbody. So this is really a 3-carry bag. It is. And I mean, how many times can I say that? It is literally a 3-carry bag that you can carry 3 ways at one time. 3 ways at one time without maneuvering any straps. On the back, you also have this nice pocket, which is just right here. So I think my cell phone, so that is where my cell phone will probably go. It also has this magnetic back right here, which is super deep and super wide. And because I have my laptop just sitting here, y'all, if this fits, I am going to like literally do a happy day. Holy crap! Oh my gosh. Oh my. Let me just take a moment. Did you see that? Did you like just okay, back to it. And I still have plenty of room in this bag. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I literally have been trying to find a bag where I can carry my laptop in it. I literally ordered the Lori because I thought that I could pack it as a diaper bag and still fit my laptop in there. And unfortunately, that has not been the case. My laptop does not fit in my Lori when it is packed as a diaper bag, because the Lori has a zipper on the back as well, and I thought my laptop was gonna fit in there, and it doesn't because it's short. This one, hallelujah. All right, I'm gonna get off that rant. This video is gonna be super long. Alrighty, so this is the inside. Look how wide this mouth is. Look how wide. And it comes with, this is the, I think this is like a changing clutch. My baby is so mad right now. So right here, you can put your wipes or your diapers in there, so your wipes and your diapers. So it comes with that little pouch to pack your wipes, so that you could just take this out, and then it has a little stroller clip. So you could literally attach this to your stroller, or just pull this out and have all your changing needs inside of here when you walk off to the bathroom. Love it, love it, love it. Alrighty, what is this? Oh, this is these are the stroller attachments to attach it to your stroller. On the front, you have two big elastic pockets. You have this mesh pocket on the back. You have this zipper that goes across. Nice little zipper across the back. You have a pocket here, elastic pocket. Ooh, you guys, this is a zipper pocket. I think it's insulated. So there's a zipper pocket right here that appears to be insulated. So you have that pocket. So those are the pockets on the inside. You have this little Ella Dane on there. So very subtle branding on the bag. And that's it. That is the bag. So yes. That's the backpack. So let's attach this, because this is where you attach your crossbody. To that D-ring. And that one. And now it's crossbody. I don't know why I'm singing. I'm singing because I'm so freaking happy. Okay. So that is the Ella Dane. This is the Ella Dane diaper bag in pearl gray. I love her, and I cannot wait to pack and carry this bag. Like literally, I cannot wait to pack and carry this bag. But this is her. So yay! Let me know what you guys think in the comment box about this bag. If you love it, hate it, let me know what you think about the color, even though it's not really just showing up that great. But let me know what you think about the color. And yeah, that's it. I'll leave a link in the description box below, so you guys can check out Miss Ella Dane as well. I'll also leave a link just to the Kickstarter, just so you can go and watch her story and all that good stuff, and kind of learn more about the founder. And that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please hit that little red button. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, and I will talk to you guys soon.